In this video, I'm going to show you how we can transfer this website to this hosting. As you can see here, this is the blank website. This is a default WordPress website here. I need to transfer my whole this website to this website. Okay, first of all, open the website and just go to the dashboard. Now in the left side, you will see the plugin option, and let's click on the add new plugin and just search here All-in-One Migration. And as you can see, All-in-One WP Migration, just install this plugin and let's click on activate. Now in the left side, you will see the All-in-One WP Migration option. Click on it and we need to click on export option and click on the file. And we need to wait some seconds, and that will give us one file, and it's done. Now we need to click on the download this website and close it, and it will take some seconds to download. After downloading this backup, we need to move to the new website, where we first of all log in into this website and go to the dashboard. Now open the dashboard, and here we need to install same plugin WP Migration. Now we are importing that backup to this website, All-in-One WP, and you can see the All-in-One WP Migration and backup. Just install this plugin and click on activate. Now click on this plugin, and here you will see the option of import. Just click on the import option. Now we need to import the file. As you can see here, go to the download folder, and this file is WordPress extension. So click on the import from the file, and you can see we have the backup, this one, and just open it. And we need to wait some second, and that process will transfer your website from one host to another host, or one domain to another host. We have imported this. Now let's click on the proceed option and just wait some seconds. That will prepare your website and database and everything. It's just almost completed, and your site has been imported successfully. Let's click on the finish, and now we need to just open this website and let's see how this will look. And you can see this is the as it is website that we have imported. So this is the TCB new demo, that is the old website that we have imported to the tcbdemo.com here. So this is the easiest way to import your website or transfer your website from one host to another host, or from one domain to another host. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.